Hello, in this video session I am going to show you how to make resource capacity definitions. To do this, click on the critical path menu and choose Resource Capacity Definitions worklist. Right click and choose New to create a new definition. First, choose the critical path process that you want to define the resources. Then, choose the resource that you want to assign from the resource card list. If you want, you can define the capacity per minute or per piece. Then you can define the capacity quantity. And if you want, you can define priority of each resources. And you can also give start and end date for these capacity definitions. If you put a limited date for a resource, if you want, you can define the same resource for another time period with different capacity definitions as well. After you make one single resource capacity definition and restarting the system, you will see factory capacity planning option on the menu.